everyone, this is Cindy of Cricut the Heart, and I am back with another project share. So one of my goals is to make sure that I am posting actual projects, right? Because to be honest, I mean, I like looking at hauls and sometimes I am inspired by it, but sometimes I'm tired of hauls. And so when I go looking for things to watch on YouTube, a lot of times there isn't anything for me to watch because it's not what I want to see, which is I just want to see projects. So I'm trying to do more projects this year. So I'm taking a break from gnomes and I decided to use something new that I just recently got. And that is this Eskimo Kisses from Sunny Studio. This is a tiny little stamp set, but super cute. You can do a lot of things with it. And, if you're looking for things that are cost effective, this little stamp set with or without the dies is a good one. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use these framelit hearts, which I've had forever. And I think I'm only using the teeny tiny heart in here. And I don't even know if I used it actually. Yeah, I did. I'm also using the Hugs die that I have here. I think it's Lawn Fawn. It's either Lawn Fawn or Paper Smooches. I think it's Lawn Fawn though. I'm also going to be using this paper, which is a Reflections Michael's paper pad from from last year, Girl Squad. Let's see, of course I'm using my Memento ink, which is my favorite black ink. Snow Cool. I'm using a couple stamps from here on the dies. I'm using this right here, which I want to say it's Pretty Pink Posh. I'm not sure. I've had it a while, and of course I didn't, label it. And I used the ampersand from this one. Okay, so that is my Spellbinders small die of the month, which is really come in handy. So I'm using this stamp, the Eskimo Kisses, two different ways. I think it gave it two different looks. So this is the first one, and this one says Hugs and Eskimo Kisses. So the Snow Cool Lawn Fawn is the igloo and the little penguin. And then, of course, here's my little Eskimo girl. And then I used some red mirrored cardstock from Tonic to go ahead and cut out my my hugs. Let's see if I can get more light. I mean, it's very late here. I'm filming this before I go to bed for my trip, be gone for a couple of days. But I wanted to post some videos. So I love how this came out. I think it's really cute. Oh yeah, and the paper that I used for this right here is the paper I'm using for all most of my winter projects for January. It's this A Perfect Winter by Lori Whitlock, which is just really cute. So I just use that little the mint paper there, and I just think it's really, really cute. So this right here I think would be a cute Valentine's Day card, a cute just little winter card to send someone. I think it would be a cute thank you card. I also think it'd be a cute birthday card. So I kind of like a card like this where it could be a lot of different purposes. And so I intentionally don't put anything on the inside because then when I need to grab a card, I can grab it and customize it the way that I want. So that's the first one. The stickles are a little bit, I don't know if you can see, I did stickles on the igloo, so they're still wet. And I have a tendency to touch them when they're wet and smear them everywhere. So this one that I did right here definitely has more of a Valentine vibe. I'm using the doily that I received or I bought recently from Target. And so I just adhered that onto my paper. And then I've got my two little Eskimo friends there and my little heart, and I use that Hugs again. And I just think that's super cute. So just two different ways to use that really cute little stamp set. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Cricut the Heart.